loves, welcome to my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So guys, today I am unboxing my BoxyCharm base box for the month of February 2022, and I did create this look with the items that we have in this box. This box here is $27.99 a month, and it does come with 5 full-size products. If you're interested in this box, you can go to BoxyCharm.com to check out how to sign up for their different subscriptions. This is the lowest tier on their subscription that they do offer. They do offer a BoxyCharm Luxe box as well as a BoxyCharm Premium box. So this is the monthly base box that comes out every month. So guys, without any further delay, let's go ahead and get started. So as of right now, the only thing on my face is primer, my eyebrows, and that's it. We did get a foundation in this box, so I wanted to try it out and show you guys how I am using it. So I'm going to get right into our first product. So as I said, we got a foundation, so we're going to start off with that one first. So the first product I have, this is by Rare Beauty, and this is their Light Touch Weightless Foundation. I have never used any of their foundations before, so I'm hoping this color is a good color, but we're about to find out together whether or not this is going to work for me. So we're going to try this out. I have color 470C. So let me pull that out. So this is the foundation right here that I have, and I'm going to get started with putting this on, and we'll see if this is a good match. We're hoping for the best over here, that this works. So let's get started. Oh, now this seemed like it got too much red or something. I'm sure I could make it work, but so far not too bad, but it still seems a little off to me. But let's see how the whole face finishes. It has a lot of orange or something in it that I don't particularly like. But let's see if I can get it to do what it needs to do. Alright guys, so I have it on. It moves around pretty good. It does feel uber lightweight though. I don't feel like it's heavy or anything. I am a little concerned. It feels very orangey to me. So I think I'm trying to make it work. And it looks like it's okay, but it just feels really orangey with my ring light and my other light over here on. It just seems real orangey. And I'm wondering, like, if you get out in the sunlight, is this going to be like super orangey and look real weird? So guys, I'm pretty satisfied with how it went on and how it's kind of drying down. I feel like it's pretty good. It gave a decent amount of coverage, which I think is awesome. I'm not exactly certain about this shade. It's a little bit orangey, so I don't know. But you know, it's kind of hard to get perfect matches when you get these subscription boxes anyway. But my next thing I'm going to do is, I think I'm gonna go ahead and start my eyes, because we do have an eye palette. So let me show you what we have. We have Proof is in the Pudding is the name of the palette. This is by Beauty Bakery, and I don't think I've had any of their other eyeshadows, but this is the first time I think I've used one of their eyeshadows. I think I got something else by Beauty Bakery, but it wasn't an eyeshadow. So here are our colors here, and they're very oh, does this come off? Yeah, okay. So here we go. No mirror, guys. So these are our colors, and they seem pretty neutral looking, don't you think? Like real neutral kind of looking ish. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with creating a look out of this palette. I think I'm gonna go for something real basic and simple. So we'll go ahead and start that, and that's going to be the next part here, and putting on our makeup. So I'm gonna get started. Okay guys, for our colors, I'm going to go with this warm cocoa here for the outer portion of my eyelid, and for the inner we're going to go with chai pudding. So that's what we're going to do. So we're getting started. And guys, because I got hooded eyes, I am taking it up a bit on the top of my brow bone there, because, you know, hooded eyes, I'm telling you, you blink and it looks like you don't have no foundation on if you don't take the color all the way up. So I'm taking it all the way up. And there is a little fallout that I'm seeing, guys, so make sure when you're using this one, make sure you're tapping your brush off a bit before you put it up here, so you won't have much fallout. But there is a bit that I'm seeing, so I just wanted to let you guys know. And I'm taking this color like to the middle of my brow, by the way. The middle of my eyelid, I'm sorry. And bringing it in a little bit. So that's on both sides. So that's our warm cocoa. So warm cocoa is the first one we use. And we're going to go to our next color over here. And I'm just going to go in. Actually, let's have a little fun with it. I'm going to take the almond jelly and put in the middle, and then I'm going to take the chai pudding and put in the inner going out. So let's just play with it a little bit, see how it works out. I think this came out really good, guys, so I'm pleased. So I'm going to go ahead now and we're going to use our next item in the box here. Since that went really well, we have some sponges here. I do need to do some concealer under my eye a bit, so we're going to go ahead and kind of clean up the edges here for our eye look as well, and use these sponges that came. And we have the YC collection marble sponge duo. I generally like using a brush under my eyes. These are very soft. I mean, it's a sponge. I don't really expect a lot. Let me wet this and we'll get started. Okay, I have a little bit of Avene here, the little thermal water spray, so I'm just going to spray it real quick and make it damp so we can kind of use this thing. So I think that's damp enough for us to try our concealer out. So I'm going to go with my concealer here, and this is my concealer. I'm just using an Ida Beauty one. It seems to be doing a decent job. I mean, it's a sponge. I mean, it's not really anything spectacular. It's doing a decent job. And guys, I like to use a color that's a little bit closer to my skin tone, a little bit darker under my eyes, because as you get older, putting all that light color under your eyes doesn't really serve you that well. So I found a color closer to my skin tone actually does a better job. So I would say we're doing good here. Okay guys, so that is the sponge here. I think it did a pretty decent job. I mean, it's a sponge. I mean, it's nothing amazing, but it did a decent job. So we're going to move on with our next item. So we have two things left in here. So I do have a lip serum and I have a touch-up kit that's left. So let me off camera finish up my eye look, and then we'll come back and wrap up the last two things that we have in this box. Alright guys, so our next product we have here is a lip serum. So I'm just going to put this on underneath my lipstick. This one is made by EVIO Skin. I've never heard of them before, and this is a hemp and peppermint lip serum. It feels pretty nice. Not super moisturizing, but it feels more protective on your lips. And it's more of like it sort of reminds you of sort of like a regular lip balm. There is a little hint of the peppermint that comes in once I put it on. But lip serum, nothing special. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish off my lips since we have our lip serum on to protect our lips. Alright guys, so that is our look completely finished. We do got one more product. I'm not going to use this product because I generally don't use these kind of products, but we have another product from Rare Beauty, and this is their Blot and Go Touch Up Kit. I am an oily girl, and I am typically oily in the summertime, springtime-ish. It's still pretty chilly right now. I'm not going to be that oily at this time of year, you know what I mean? Normally my T-zone is a problem. What we have here is translucent, refillable, what it says is a refillable compact container, oil absorbing papers, and a radiant powder infused puff, I'm sorry, for easy touch up. So let me pop it out the box so I can show you guys. But yeah, I don't know. So this is how it comes, and I've seen this in boxes before. This is not like a new product. And there is a mirror which I'm going to cover up so I can show you guys what comes. So we have our powder puff here, and we have our blotting papers. So here's the powder puff, and it says it's already infused with the blotting stuff. And then we have the sheets here that come in here, and I'm gonna show that to you. Yeah, I'll say it should pop open. So these are the sheets here, and they're like regular blotting sheets. But like I said, I mean, you just pretty much use it like this when you're oily. But like I said, I'm pretty much not really oily right now. I have my standard oily look, but I mean, that's generally what you're just blotting off the oil spots. So, you know, I guess I did show you how to use it. I wasn't going to use it at all, but basically that's it. I mean, it's blotting paper. I don't really care for stuff like this. I'll just be honest. I'm not going to use it that much because I just don't remember most of the time when I go out to have stuff like this on me. So that's why I said it's something I know I won't use that much. So this is the Rare Beauty blotting paper, and guys, this month for the BoxyCharm theme, we have treat your heart out. And then they talked about on the back the big news. As of now, everyone should have heard the big news. Ipsy and Boxy are pretty much merging together in a sense that you can manage both of your subscriptions on Ipsy's page. So you can manage your Ipsy and your Boxy in one place. So that is the big news that they kept having us all hyped about. I don't know. I was already expecting something like that to happen once I knew Ipsy bought Boxy, but that's just me. But in review, guys, real quick, we have our Rare Beauty Touch Up kit here, the Blot and Glow Touch Up kit. We have our sponge by what is this, YC Collection, Light Touch Weightless Foundation. So that's what I'm wearing, and I did go over it a bit with some translucent powder, a little bit more of my shade, just to kind of bring down some of that orange. So guys, we also have the Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette, which I created my eye look today with. And the very last thing that we have is we have this lip serum by EVO Skin, and I put that on underneath as the base for my lips. So before I did my lips, I put that on as a base to kind of protect my lips. So guys, I don't have any prices because they didn't send us any, and I don't have any information on the back of my car other than their big news. So if I find the prices of things, I'll kind of go through and add it on and let you guys know what the overall box total is. But guys, this is my box. I hope you had fun watching me do my makeup, and enjoyed today's video. If you did, please hit me up in the comments and let me know what you liked. If there's other products out there that you guys are interested in that you would like to see me test out, let your girl know in the comment section so I can kind of come on here and give you guys what you're looking for. But guys, thank you again for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, it would be a great help if you could click the like button, as well as if you're not already subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. It's free. Help your girl out, grow her channel. And I'll be back with my next video. Stay tuned. My next video dropping will be my Izzy and Liv brown sugar box. So for you guys that enjoy watching that one is coming right up soon after this video. So keep your eye out for that one. But until next time, guys, I will see you on my next video.